Have you ever wondered, why do flamingos stand on one leg? It might look like a quirky dance move, but there's science behind it. Flamingos often stand on one leg to conserve body heat. Since they spend so much time in cold water, tucking one leg up helps reduce heat loss. Less surface area in the water equals less heat escaping. Pretty smart, right? And get this, their bodies are built for balance. Flamingos can actually lock their leg joints, using very little muscle to stay upright. It's so comfy, they even sleep like this. So next time you spot a flamingo balancing on one leg, just remember, it's nature's way of staying warm and relaxed.